Okay, go back over it. Good job. Is it having trouble coming out? Let me see. Here, let me help you. There you go. Okay, now you have to turn it over carefully because you got all that glue, and put it on the front. So you straighten it out and get it on the card. There you go. Okay. Look, there's a little bit of glue right there, so we're going to wipe that up. Okay. Let's see. Just dab it a little bit. Did you get it? Okay, is there some right here? And wipe that. And then right here. There you go. Okay, so when you put glue, try to just put a little dot, okay? Okay. All right. Let's try this one. I need this, and here's this, and just a little dot. And don't get it too close to the corner. Come in about right there. Did you get it? Oh, okay, let's see. There we go. That's good. Oh, wait, let's get these two corners. Need some help? Okay, and good job.